My dear learners, my greetings to all of you. You know we have tenses like present tense, past tense and future tense in English grammar. But do you know there is one English tense that works like a bridge? Dear learners, a bridge is built across a stream, a river, or even across the sea. It is a pathway that connects the two sides of a stream, a river, and the sea, like the Pamban Bridge built in the Bay of Bengal. Similarly, do you know this particular tense in English grammar that works like a bridge connecting the present time and the past time? It is the present perfect tense. It connects two times the present and the past together. In the term present perfect, the word present talks about the present time and the word perfect talks about the past time. Now listen to this example carefully. I have lost my history book. I repeat, I have lost my history book. In this sentence, we have used present perfect tense. Look at the verb have lost. It is present perfect tense verb. In this sentence, my dear learners, lost to the history book happened in the past. It refers to the past time. But I don't have the history book now is in the present. See how present and past are connected together by the use of present perfect tense in this sentence. This is how present perfect tense works like a bridge. That's why present perfect tense is called a bridge between the past and the present. That is the beauty of the present perfect tense. Have you understood it? Now, I will give you two similar examples. Listen to them and see how the present and the past are connected. Example 1. I have finished my homework. Example number 2. She has seen that movie. My dear learners, try if you can get the link between the present and the past in these two sentences. If you cannot get it, let me know in the comment box. I will get back to you with the clarification. If you really liked this video and this lesson, like, share and subscribe to Professor Joseph Nehru for simple and powerful English lessons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.